Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and important Chrome tip that helps you stay in control of your browsing experience. How to make Chrome ask before allowing any website to play protected content. This setting keeps your privacy safe and gives a full authority over what's played in your browser. So, let's get started. First, open the Chrome browser on your device. It could be your phone, tablet, or computer. The steps are almost identical. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner and tap those three dots, the menu button that opens your Chrome settings. This is where you can customize everything from privacy options to site permissions. Next, scroll down and select Settings. Inside this menu, you'll find several sections that let you manage your browsing preferences. From here, locate and tap Site Settings. This area controls how different websites interact with your browser, what they can access, and what you choose to block or allow. Once you're inside Site Settings, scroll until you find Protected Content. This section deals with media playback that uses digital rights management, or DRM. Some streaming sites, for example, need this permission to play videos or music that's licensed or protected. Now, instead of letting sites automatically play protected content, it's smart to make Chrome ask first. This way, you'll be notified each time a site tries to play something protected, giving you the choice to allow or deny it. So, tap Protected Content, and under its options, select Ask First. That's it. You've just enabled a setting that gives you full control over your protected media playback.